Signal drop issues are one of the primary causes of Fios TV1 box freezing. When your signal strength weakens or becomes unstable, your box struggles to maintain a steady stream of data, resulting in freezing and interruptions. Understanding your coaxial cables is crucial for diagnosing signal issues. Each cable has 4 main components: the copper core that carries your signal, white insulation for protection, metal shielding to block interference, and an outer jacket for weather resistance. Signal drop issues typically stem from 4 main causes. Loose connections create signal loss at connection points. Cable degradation occurs over time, especially in older installations. Splitter problems can weaken signals when distributing to multiple devices. Network congestion during peak hours can also impact signal quality. Start troubleshooting by performing a visual inspection. Check all coaxial connections for tightness and signs of corrosion like this damaged connector. Look for cable damage, excessive bending, or kinks that can degrade signal quality. Also verify that any splitters are in good working condition. For optimal performance, your signal strength should be between -3 and 0 dBmVs. Acceptable range is -7 to -3 BMV. Below -7 dBmV indicates poor signal requiring intervention. Remove unnecessary splitters, replace aging cables, and consider a signal amplifier for weak signals. Regular maintenance prevents most signal drop issues. Inspect your connections monthly, keep cables away from heat sources, avoid excessive bending, and schedule annual professional inspections. These simple steps will help maintain optimal signal quality and prevent freezing problems. When your Fios TV1 box freezes, the problem often stems from app-related issues, firmware problems, or hardware malfunctions. Let's start with app-related solutions that you can perform yourself. The most effective solution for app freezing is clearing the app cache. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Storage to access cache clearing options. This removes temporary files that may be causing conflicts. Additionally, close unused background applications and restart your TV1 box weekly. This clears temporary files and frees up system memory. Limit simultaneous streaming to prevent overloading the system's processing capacity. Firmware issues are another common cause of freezing. Your TV1 box requires regular firmware updates to maintain optimal performance and fix known bugs that cause system instability. Enable automatic updates in your system settings to ensure you receive the latest firmware improvements. If freezing persists after an update, manually check for additional updates or contact Verizon if the problem started after a recent firmware installation. Hardware problems, particularly overheating, are major causes of TV1 box freezing. Proper ventilation is critical for preventing thermal-related system failures and maintaining stable operation. Ensure at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides of your TV1 box. Clean dust from ventilation ports monthly using compressed air, and avoid placing the box in enclosed cabinets without proper airflow. Power stability is crucial for preventing freezing issues. Inconsistent power supply can cause system instability, data corruption, and frequent reboots that appear as freezing problems. Use dedicated power outlets and avoid power strips, which can cause voltage fluctuations. Maintain consistent voltage supply at 120 volts plus or minus 5%. For areas with frequent power issues, install an uninterruptible power supply system. Regular maintenance of these 3 areas, apps, firmware, and hardware, will significantly reduce freezing issues with your Fios TV1 box. Most problems can be prevented through proper system care and environmental management.